Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are talking about Halloween punch, kind of, sort of, in a way. Here's the thing. Alright, through my years of experience, I have learned that making Halloween punch can be a good thing and a bad thing. The cool thing about this is that means that you do not have to man or have a bartender man the bar, that kind of thing. You can just have punch, it's ready to go. The bad thing is a lot of times the ingredients in punch will go flat. And they go flat really quickly. In fact, one of the first punches that I'm going to make right now, which if you're wondering about the recipes, they are from a blog, which I will link down below in the description, and also try to give you most of the recipes for this because some of these have variations on them. And so this first one that I'm going to make, let me double check this out. So this first cocktail I'm going to make is my version of the Purple People Eater cocktail. Really easy to make, but instead of using grape juice, because I didn't have any, I'm going to use grape soda or pop, depending upon where you're from. So I'm following the recipe just like it is. There we go. And then lemonade. And then cranberry juice. Alright, so this makes 1 cup. Here's one of the things that I have found. Of course, into my glass. 1 cup is a really good size. Let's give this a taste. It's good. Oh, that's really good. I like the tart, the tang, the fizziness. Okay, so we've made this, and I've used my grape soda, but here's the thing. I did not use all of my grape soda. I only used half a cup, so now I have half a can of grape soda. I could have made this into a punch, but how flat do things go and how quickly? I mean, if this had been grape soda and you'd made a punch like a couple hours before, it goes flat. It goes flat really quickly. Then the other thing is, when you put water in something, and you're saying, well, why would I put water in it? Ice cubes. Unless you've made these things with ice cubes, you got sort of a problem. So, how do I get around that? Really easy. If I were to do this for a party, I would do my lemonade, and then my cranberry juice. Of course, I would make a whole lot more of this. And then the next thing that I would do is then pour my 2 juices without anything fizzy into a container. Label the container with the instructions to add 1 part of the grape soda with 1 part of the juice mixture. Cool part about this is I don't have to worry about this going bad. This juice, if I don't use it all, I just stick it in the refrigerator. That makes for a really, really nice drink. And so that way, if I want to have, if I don't use all this at the party, then pull it out anytime and it's ready. But a lot of you are probably saying, ooh, but your drinks are warm. What are you going to do about warm drinks? Okay, here's the thing. With the warm drinks and not wanting to put ice or anything which is going to melt in that, you can do frozen fruit. You can do lemon slices, grapes, cranberries, frozen cranberries, any sort of fruit, frozen strawberries, frozen watermelon, whatever you got. Then you can just place those into the drink and they will not water the drink down. One of the cool things that you can also do with that fruit, hang on a second. Well, my frozen fruit is now MIA, but one of the cool things that you can do with the fruit is you can infuse the fruit with soaking it in brandy or vodka if you want to have an alcoholic version of it. Float that into your drink and you have a way of keeping your drink cold without changing the flavor of it. For something like this, I think frozen grapes would be wonderful. If only I had some. let's go on to our next drink. Let's do what I think was really cool. It's called Vampire's Blood. Like I said, these are all linked down and below in the blog. But for our Vampire's Blood, we're going to do half a cup, and that's cranberry juice. Then half a cup, approximately, of ginger ale. Pour that in there. Now, if you want this more fizzy, you can then add club soda to top it all off with. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's give this a taste. That's pretty wild. It has a distinct, I don't know what you would call this. But yeah, the Vampire's Blood, that's pretty good. On to our next drink. Our next drink is a variation on the Grape Ghostly soda. So we have grape juice. This can be any lemon lime soda. Let's give this a taste. That's really good. Now, one of the things which I find really fun at Halloween parties is if you get to make your own potions. One of the coolest ways to make your own potions is to take a drink mix. How I start mine off is I add a little water to the bottle. Then I take my drink mix. And the thing that you want to do is you want to make this so that it is very sweet. These would normally do 1 bottle. So I'm going to put in about 4. And I did get these the most for the color. Add some more water. And we have a beautiful, spooky looking concoction. Now I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to do this with grape. And see, I'm more interested in the colors than I am anything else. Alright, now we're ready to concoct whatever drink we want to, because this basically is a flavored syrup. So I'll add some to my drink, and then I can make it fizzy, I can make it non-fizzy. I'm going to add club soda. Poison drink down the hatch. Wow, that's really good. That's sort of fun. Then we can add a little purple to that. Get a nice witch's brew kind of look. And with these it's the Skittles drink mix. Now, if you're one of these people who are like, but I want to have alcohol at my thing, well, here's my suggestion. Replace doing this thing with vodka. So you can then flavor your vodka with whatever drink packets that you have, and you can make a really, really cool flavored vodka. It's a vodka liqueur because it will be sweet. But yeah, these are some really simple ways so that you can make Halloween party drinks without, wasting a whole lot of drinks. Because who wants to let something like this go to waste? I hope you enjoyed this. If you have ideas for Halloween drinks, let me know down in the comments. At this time, I'd like to thank these wonderful people who let me go on these tangents to make some Halloween drinks. If you'd like to become part of the Patreon family where you get these videos early and you get a weekly behind the scenes vlog, you can do that. You can also join channel members. Also, you can like and share this video because that really does help the video. And we've got some really, really big things coming up because fall and Christmas, well, fall again is coming back up with Thanksgiving. And of course, Christmas, we're going to go all out. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you have a haunted Halloween.